Personalized attention will be given to each and every student, where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. A key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swiflearn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all these practice tests are subjective tests and objective tests for your school examination. So, students, those on new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir, and today I'll be teaching you a new chapter: cylinder, cone, and sphere. Okay, so listening all the three names, what does the first word come in your mind? Okay, so all these are three-dimensional objects. What are three-dimensional objects and all these things? Okay, we'll be discussing along with today's learning objective. Let's recall what is solid, define cylinder. Okay, to find surface area of cylinder, that is cross total surface area and curved surface area. To know about the volume of cylinder, mind map, solving questions based on cylinder and surface area and volume of a hollow cylinder. All these things we will be learning today. Okay, basically we will be focusing more on cylinder. Yes. So whenever you look around yourself, usually you see a lot of different objects. Can you name some of the objects? Yes. So if there is a ball around you, you can say it as a sphere. Okay. So if there is a mobile phone and if it is perfectly flat, okay, पहले वाले आते थे without the curved edges, so that can you can say it as a cuboid. Okay. So the chips की डब्बी, नहीं तो say glass or water bottles are cylindrical objects. Yes. So exactly nahi hai, kuch we can assume them as this objects. So these are all solid objects. Okay. Now three-dimensional objects have solid figures. Anything with three dimensions, length, breadth, and height is a solid figure. Okay, which has three dimensions, which can we can measure the dimensions in three axes. It's a three-dimensional figure. Shape which can be measured in three directions are three-dimensional figures. This shape are also called as solid shapes. There are different, these are different from 2D shapes because 3D shapes have height. Now let's take an example of a square and a cuboid. Okay, so the square will be having two dimensions, which is length and breadth only, and this cuboid will be having three dimensions, which is length, breadth, and height. Yes, so surface areas and volume of a three-dimensional figure. So this we are going to learn in our today's class. What is surface area, what is volume, and all the things. Okay, we'll be learning in our today's class. Yes, guys, just give me a minute. I'll be back. I need to find my digital pen. Yes, guys, we are back. Can you hear me? Okay. Yes. So we were learning about the surface area and the volume of a 3D figure. Okay. The two distance, okay, the two distinct measures are used to define a 3D shapes are surface area and volume. What are these two things? These are two distinct measures used to define the 3D shapes. We can't use this to define 2D objects. So surface area, okay, if you want to make an aquarium, how would you calculate the amount of transparent plastic glass required? Okay, so you will find the surface area. Surface area is defined as the total area of the surface of the three-dimensional object. Surface area is what? Is defined as total area of the surface of three-dimensional object. Surface area is measured in terms of square units. Yes, surface areas of 3D figures. Now let us discuss few terminologies. Okay, the first terminology is curved surface area. What is this CSA, also known as CSA? सर हमें CIA पता है, हम लोग इंग्लिश मूवीज बहुत देखते हैं. Okay, that is different. Okay, this is curved surface area. It is the area of all the curved region. Yes, that is curved surface area. Lateral surface area. It is the area of all the curved region and all the flat surfaces excluding the base areas. Okay, so curved surface area curved है. Lateral surface area देखो यार, it is the area of all the curved region and all the flat surfaces excluding the base areas. Base area छोड़ के जो भी है, that is lateral surface area. Lateral surface areas are used for cube and cuboids. Okay, so there this is used. Curved surface area is used for spheres, is used for hemisphere, is used for cylinders. Now what is total surface area, or also known as TSA? It is the area of all the surfaces including the base of the 3D object. For example, if you take a cylinder, okay, the curved surface area plus the area of the top, area of the bottom, together will give you total surface area. Yes. Now you have made your aquarium तो बन गया using the total surface area. See, this is lateral surface area जो इसके 360 degrees है. This rectangle, फिर उसका side का rectangle, पीछे वाला rectangle, ये वाला rectangle, all the four faces is lateral surface area. And if you include the top area and the bottom area of the glass, you will get total surface area. You have made your aquarium now. Now you have to fill it with water. How much water is required in it? पानी कितना चाहिए? Okay, that will be the volume. So volume is defined as the total space occupied by a three-dimensional shape or a solid object. What is volume? It is defined as the total space occupied by the three-dimensional object. Okay, three-dimensional shape or a solid object. Total space occupied as volume. Volume is measured in terms of cubic units. Surface area is measured in terms of square units. Volume is measured in terms of cubic units. Now let's study about the solid figures. Solid figure cylinder. Okay, so cylinder, a cylinder or a circular cylinder is defined as the solid which has uniform circular cross section. कहाँ पे भी cut करो, you will get a circular discs. So it is defined as a solid object which has uniform circular cross section. Okay, this is a cylinder of height h and radius r. So curved surface of area of a cylinder. Now see this. The one which is removed, the curved one which is removed, you get a rectangle. If a cylinder is to be curved with a colored paper, how will you do it? With the minimum amount of paper. First take a rectangular sheet of paper whose length is just enough to go around the cylinder and whose breadth will be equal to the height of the cylinder, and you roll it. एक कागज से अगर सिलेंडर बनाना है तो क्या बनाना है? ओके, सो जो भी उसका circumference है, you should make sure it is equal to the length of the paper and the height of the cylinder should be equal to the breadth of the sheet, and roll it, you get a cylinder. Sir, ऊपर कुछ नहीं है, नीचे कुछ नहीं. Yes, if you only consider this is known as curved surface area. The area of the sheet gives us curved surface area of the cylinder. Yes, the length of the sheet is equal to the circumference of the circular base, which is equal to 2 pi r. The circumference of a circle is given by what? It is given by 2 pi r. Okay, so the curved surface area of cylinder is equal to area of this rectangle sheet. Yes. Now the area of the rectangle sheet is length into breadth. The perimeter of the cylinder, okay, perimeter of the base of the cylinder, which is 2 pi r, and into the height 2 pi r h. Okay, so what is this 2 pi r into h? Perimeter of the base of the cylinder. Okay, so that is 2 pi r and height is h. So 2 pi r into h will give you the total curved surface area. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h. Now total surface area. Right now we have calculated only the curved part. Now calculate the area of the top, calculate the area of the bottom, you get the total surface area. If you keep the top and the bottom of the cylinder also to be covered, then we need two circles. In fact, circular regions. To do that, each of the radius r, thus having the area pi r square. Area of the circle is pi r square. ऐसे दो सर्कल है, so 2 pi r square. So total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus 2 pi r square. Now you can take 2 pi common and you will get the this. Okay, so total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Now you can take 2 pi r common, so you get r plus h. Okay, you can use this also, you can use this also. This is what? This is total surface area of the cylinder. Now, volume of a cylinder. How to calculate volume of a cylinder? Volume is the space of occupied. Okay. Now, this is a cylindrical vessel. जितना पानी डालोगे उतना volume है उसका. Yes, volume can be measured in centimeter cube, meter cube, liters. Okay, so many units. So volume is equal to area of the cross section. Okay, so ये क्रॉस सेक्शन कर रहा हूं ये यहाँ पे. इफ आई कट दिस सिलेंडर क्या मिलेगा मुझे? ऐसे दो सर्कल्स दिखेंगे, राइट? सो this is the cross section. So area of the cross section is nothing but area of the circle, which is pi r square, and जो भी height है into height will give us the volume of the cylinder. Area of cross section is pi r square. Pi r square into h is the volume of the cylinder. Yes. Now let us study about the hollow cylinder. It is a cylinder which is vacant from inside, which is empty from inside, and there is some difference between internal and external radius. It is having two radius. The internal radius is the small r and the external radius is the capital R. Always बाहर का रेडियस बड़ा रहता है, अंदर का रेडियस छोटा रहता है. Yes, that's obvious. Now the formula to find the volume, curved surface area and the total surface area of the hollow cylinder. Okay, very easy. बाहर का निकालो, अंदर का subtract कर दो. That's all. You will get all the required things. Okay, so consider r as the external radius of the hollow cylinder and small r as the inner radius of the cylinder, and let h be the height of the cylinder. The thickness of the wall is capital R minus small r. ये capital R है, ये small r है यहाँ तक. So this distance is capital R minus small r. That is the thickness of the wall. And area of cross section is, okay, so ये जो भी ऊपर वाला area है, the shaded one. Okay, so कैसे निकालते हैं? Very easy guys. First find the area of the outer circle and then find the area of the inner circle and then subtract. That's all. You get the area of the ring, right? So area of the outer circle is pi r square and area of the inner circle is pi r square. So pi r square minus r square is the area of the cross section. Yes. Curved surface area of the hollow cylinder is, so external is 2 pi r h. So external curved surface area is 2 pi r h, the capital R. Okay, and the inside curved surface area is 2 pi small r h. Inner radius is small, so 2 pi r h. Outer radius is big, so it is 2 pi capital R h. Yes. A total surface area of the hollow cylinder. Total surface area is given by external curved surface area, okay, plus internal curved surface area, plus 2 times the area of the cross section. Ria, good morning. How are you today? So therefore, add everything. Add everything. क्या क्या add करना है? External curved surface area, which is 2 pi capital R into H. Internal curved surface area 2 pi R into H plus area of the thickness. Yes, Ria, I have taken your name. How are you today, Ria? Good morning. Yes, Ria, in which standard are you studying in? And yes, the area of this cross section is pi capital R square minus R square. ऐसे दो रिंग है तो 2 pi R square into R square. Yes, I'm fine. Thank you, Ria. Glad you asked. तो कितना है भाई इसका टोटल सरफेस एरिया, ये सब ऐड करना चाहिए, then only you will get the total surface area. Yes, Ria is in 8th standard. Okay, now what about the volume of material? Okay, so external volume minus internal volume, therefore external volume is pi capital R square H minus internal volume is pi small r square into H. Yes, this is the volume of the hollow cylinder. Sir, volume बोले तो इसके अंदर वाला? No, not like that. Okay, so ये अगर पानी में Archimedes principle, if you immerse this in water, जितना भी पानी displace होगा, that is the volume of this. Okay, it is not related to the inside one. If it is hollow, पानी तो भरने वाला नहीं है, ये जितना इसका वॉल्यूम है उतना वाटर डिस्प्लेस होगा. Yes, something like this in the physics. I'm not a physicser. Okay, so भूल गया हूं मैं वो सब. So maths I can tell this is the volume of the cylinder. Yes, Ria, and where are you from? Are you from Punjab? Let me know if you're from Punjab. Yes. So let's recall all the things we have studied about the cylinder. Measure to define 3D figures. To define a 3D object, there are two terminologies, which is surface area and volume. Okay. Now, surface area of the cylinder, curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Okay. Total surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi r h plus pi r square, 2 pi r square. ओके तो वही सिंप्लीफाई किए हैं, ये लिखे हैं. एंड टोटल सरफेस एरिया ओके ऑफ द हॉलो सिलेंडर इज बाहर का प्लस अंदर का सरफेस एरिया प्लस एरिया ऑफ द थिकनेस, एरिया ऑफ द रिंग्स. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Volume of the hollow cylinder is pi r square minus r square into h. So all these things we will be using in to solve the problems. Okay, so let's solve this. The curved surface area of the cylinder is 4400 centimeter square and circumference of its base is 110 centimeter. Find the height of the cylinder, find the volume of the cylinder. Okay, so the curved surface area, okay, they have told CSA, curved surface area is equal to 4400 centimeter square. Yes. A curved surface area of a cylinder. Okay, let's take a cylinder. Okay, its curved surface area is 4400. Now, sir, curved surface area is given by what? 2 pi r into h is equal to 4,400 centimeters. And its circumference, and the circumference of the base is 110 centimeter. Circumference of the circle C is given by what? 2 pi r. Okay, circumference is given by 2 pi r. How much is 2 pi r? 2 pi r is 110. तो यहाँ पे substitute कर दो. 110 into h is equal to 4400. So h is equal to, yes, Harjit Kaur, good morning. How are you today? Yes, Harjit, I would like to know in which standard are you studying in? Yes, so 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44, 11 zeros are 0. So height is 40 centimeter. So centimeter कैसा आया? This is centimeter square and इसका centimeter है. So centimeter square by centimeter. This cancel. You get the answer in centimeter. Now volume of the cylinder. So volume of the cylinder क्या है? Volume of the cylinder और एक formula बताता हूँ देखो. Volume of the cylinder can also be found using the formula area of the base into height. Now base is a circular object. So area of the base, area of the circle is pi r square into h. Right? Yes. This formula we need to use. We know the height, which is 40 centimeter. H is 40 centimeter. We don't know the radius yet. Okay. But we know the circumference of the base is 110. Okay. So circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 110. How much is r equal to? R is equal to 110 by 2 pi. Okay, so pi can be nothing but is approximately taken as 22 by 7. So 22 by 7 लिखते हैं. So 11 twos are 22, 11 tens are 110, 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10, 7 fives are 35. 35 by 2 is 17.5 centimeter. R is equal to 17.5 centimeter. Okay. देखो R is equal to 17.5 centimeter. Now the volume is given by what? Pi r square into h. So pi into 17.5 square into height is 40. Now simplify this. Okay. Pi को 22 by 7 ले लो. Simplify this. Try to divide by 7 and all and check. And finally you will get a nice answer, which is 38500 centimeter cube. Remember, surface area's unit is square units and volume units is cube units. Okay, square centimeter यहाँ पे cubic centimeter. Got this? Yes. This is how we solve. Okay, now let's solve the next problem. Consider a cylindrical tube made up of metal. Tube means hollow. Okay, so made up of metal and is open at both the ends. The inner diameter is, okay, they are not given the radius, they have given the diameter, and the inner diameter and the length respectively of the tubes are, okay, so they have given the inner diameter, which is 11.2 centimeter, and the length they have given of the pipe, which is 21 respectively. Okay, so the metal everywhere is 0.4 centimeter thick. Okay, so diameter is 11.2 and this is, how much is the thickness? 0.4 is the thickness. यहाँ पे भी 0.4 is the thickness. So outer diameter, can you tell me how much is the outer diameter? Outer diameter is 11.2 plus 0.4 plus 0.4. How much is this? So it is 12 centimeter is the outside diameter. Calculate the volume of metal. Okay, so the outer diameter is 12 centimeter. Okay, so the outer radius, or let's say capital R, will be 12 by 2, which is 6 centimeter, and the inner radius will be 11.2 by 2, which is 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Now, this is the outer and inner radius. Calculate the volume of metal. Volume कैसे करना है? Okay, so pi r square into h minus pi r square into h. Okay, that will give you the volume. Okay, so see, this outer radius is this, inner radius is this. So use the formula pi r square into h minus pi r square into h. Now take pi and h common, we have r square minus r square. Pi is 22 by 7. Height is 21 centimeters. Outside radius is 6 square minus inside radius is 5.6 square. Okay. Now solve this, you will get the answer, which is 306.2 centimeter cube. सर इसको सॉल्व कैसे करते हैं सर? वेरी इजी, देखो यहाँ पे. Okay, so 6 square is 36. हमें पता है 6 square is 36. 5.6. Okay, you need to calculate 56 into 56 and then put the decimal point. I'll show you how it is done using the Vedic maths technique. So 5 into 5 is 25. 5 into 6 is 30. 5 into 6 is 30. Add them, we get 60, and 6 into 6 is 36. Now write the final answer. 6, 3 is carried, 6 is carried, 25 plus 6 is 31. There are two decimals here, so 31.36, 36.00 minus this. Okay, so 4 bar, sorry, 6 bar, 3 bar, 50 point. Okay, so it is 4.64. सर ये कौन से मेथड से कर रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो सर, इतना फास्ट कैसे किए? वेल, आई हैव यूज्ड द टेक्निक्स ऑफ वैदिक मैथ्स. We also teach Vedic maths. You can book a free trial class for Vedic maths and you can learn all the tricks like this. Okay, see how fast did I solve. Normal method में क्या है, यहाँ पे carry ले लो, यहाँ पे subtract करो, carry लो, subtract करो, so many things. See how quickly did I solve this. कैसे sir? Okay, so this, you need to book a free trial class. You will learn these things there. Now you got 4.64 into 21 into 22 by 7. Do divide by all the numbers. Okay, do this calculation. You get 306.2 centimeter cube. Yes. So, did you know this fact? The surface area to volume ratio of an object is a relation between two measurements. It is the ratio of surface area to volume. It shows the comparison between size of outside of an object and the amount it can hold inside. Okay, the small objects have large surface area compared to the volume. This gives them a large ratio of surface to volume. Larger objects have small surface areas compared to the volume. Okay, so they have small surface area to volume. Larger the objects, larger the volume, but they will have smaller ratio. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned all these things. We learned especially how to find the area, surface area of cylinder. Either it will be hollow cylinder or complete cylinder, and also the volume of the solid cylinder as well as hollow cylinder. Got this? Yes. So yes, extra time questions. Let's take this extra time questions. Okay, so what shapes are three surfaces? What shapes are the three surface of a cylinder? Okay, so what shapes are they? These are two circles and one is a rectangle. Yes, by pulling this cylinder apart, we have changed the amount of square units need to cover this faces? How are the area of the net area of the cylinder related to the surface area? देखो, total surface area is curved surface area plus area of the top and the bottom. Okay, so that's all for today then. Okay, students, those who are new, if you want to learn maths, okay, so I'll be teaching you from Monday to Thursday from 10 a.m. to 12 a.m. Okay, between this gap, I'll be teaching you. So be with us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank Sir signing